Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. And this quick tutorial will show you how to restore a post using your blog's post history. Let's get started. On your site's dashboard, go to Blog and then go to Posts. Simply open the blog post you want to work on. Say, for example, this one. Here on the blog post editor, go to the top right and click the three-dot button. And from below, select Post History. Over here on this window, on the left part, you'll see a list of all saved versions with dates and times they were created. Click on a version to view it and to see what the post looked like at that moment. Once you find the right one, simply click on the Restore button next to it. A pop-up will appear. Before restoring, close any other windows where you may be editing this post and check that nobody else is working on it. Once you're ready, click on Restore to restore that specific version of your blog post. And there you go. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.